Nadine Wilkins here, and let me ask you a question. Why do 90% of businesses fail? I know this isn't the first time you've heard this statistic, but really, have you sat back to really think about it? Whether you are a service-based business owner, a coach, or a consultant, or maybe you're looking to start a business, this is something you definitely want to ask yourself. So I'm gonna jump right into it. What if Tyler Perry was recording a movie or a play and having a premiere and no one showed up? Do you think that he would give up and say, you know what, movies, there's no money in movies, right? Or what if Michael Jordan took a jump shot and he missed? What if Serena Williams missed the game and gave up, right? Where would these individuals be if the first time they hit a roadblock, they said, it didn't work? I'm here to tell you that entrepreneurship is the only sport on the planet where the first time you reach a roadblock, a setback, or even a failure, you'll blame everyone else except yourself. See, the more I thought about this and I thought about my own journey while building my business, listen, I've done a lot of things wrong. But I'm here to tell you that 90% of businesses fail because 90% of businesses don't ask for help. And in this day and age where information is readily available at your fingertips and there are experts out there where you can get a coach, you can get a consultant to help you along the way, there's no reason why you have to suffer. There's no reason why you have to become a part of that statistic. So that's my word for today. As an entrepreneur, you are going to hit roadblocks. As a business owner, things are not always going to work out the way you planned, but you don't want to give up. You want to reach out. You want to get help. You don't have to figure it out on your own. So if you are a business owner or you're looking to become a business owner, you're looking for ways that you can leverage the power of the internet to build your business, you definitely want to check out my new case study video. Go to my website, workwithnadine.com, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care and God bless.